Hi everyone, welcome to this class, online classes DU Nalgonda, 10th class English medium mathematics. In this class, let us learn the concepts of trigonometry. In this video, in this class, let us learn the trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. In previous classes, we have learnt the definitions of trigonometric ratios and the trigonometry ratios for different specific angles. What are the values of different trigonometric ratios for 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And we have solved some problems also. To solve this exercise 11.3, we have to understand this concept clearly. Okay, let us start now. What is complementary angle? If sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the two angles are complementary angles to each other. They are complementary angles to each other. Complementary angle of 30 is 60. Complementary angle of 60 is 30. Similarly, complementary angle of 15 to get 90, what we have to write here? To know this, we have to subtract from 90. Subtract 15 from 90. 90 నుంచి 15 తీసేస్తే మనకి ఇక్కడ దీని కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్ ఏందో తెలుస్తుంది. సో టూ యాంగిల్స్ మొత్తం 90 అయిందంటే అప్పుడు ఒక యాంగిల్ ఇంకొక యాంగిల్ని మనము కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్ అంటాము. 30కి కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్ 60, 60కి కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్ 30. అలాగే 15కి కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్ ఏంటి? 90 మైనస్ 15, that is 75. Complementary angle of 75 is 15. Complementary of 15 is 75. Similarly, 50 degrees complementary angle 40, 40కి 50. సో ఇలాంటి సందర్భాలలో మనము ట్రిగోనోమెట్రిక్ రేషియోస్ని ఏ విధంగా డిఫైన్ చేస్తామో చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ here this is take a theta, this is 90 degrees, then what will be here? So let us find what is there. So sum of the three angles in a sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Therefore here A plus B plus C 180. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Here A we don't know, B we know 90 degrees, and C theta is equal to 180. So to know the A, we have to transpose these two angles right side, 180 minus 90 minus theta. Here A is equal to 180 minus 90, 90 minus theta. So here the A angle is 90 minus theta. This is 90 minus theta, this is theta, this is 90. By adding these three, again we get 180 degrees. 90 minus theta plus theta plus 90. Both cancel, 90 plus 90, 180 degrees. So sum of these two angles also 90 degrees. This is 90, sum of these two is 90. So one is 90, other one is 90 minus theta. Now let us take some sides for this. Here 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 makes a right angle triangle. You know that because these are called Pythagorean triplets. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. We know that 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. 16 plus 9, 25, 25 is equal to 25. Now let us take these examples and find the values. Here for theta, for the angle theta, at the opposite side is AB, that is equal to 4 centimeters, and adjacent side that is equal to BC, 3 centimeters, and hypotenuse that is equal to 5 centimeters, AC 5. Now let us write the values of sin theta. Sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side AB by hypotenuse AC, then here we take 4 by 5, or no need to write, let us take this one, AB by AC, then cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse, adjacent side AB, hypotenuse AC, adjacent side BC, hypotenuse AC, BC by AC, then tan theta opposite side by adjacent side AB by BC, then cot theta, cosec theta, we can take inverse of this one, AC by AB, then sec theta, we can take inverse of cos AC by BC, then cot theta, inverse of tan BC by AB. Now let us write for the angle 90 minus theta, what is adjacent side, what is opposite side, and what is hypotenuse. For 90 minus theta, opposite side is, for 90 minus theta opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is same AC. For 90 minus theta hypotenuse is AC, for theta also hypotenuse AC. Now let us write the values by using this sin theta, sin 90 minus theta opposite side by hypotenuse BC by AC, cos 90 minus theta adjacent side by hypotenuse AB by AC, tan 90 minus theta opposite side by adjacent side BC by AB, cosec 90 minus theta reverse of sin, inverse of sin AC by BC, sec 90 minus theta inverse of cos AC by AB, tan cot 90 minus theta inverse of tan AB by BC. Now compare which are equal to one another. Here, say AB by AC, where is AB by AC here? AB by AC is here, so these two are equal. Right side AB by AC, here also AB by AC. So when two equations here right side is equal, then left side also equal. So we can write that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Here we can write cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, because the right side AB by AC equal గా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి కంపల్సరీ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ కూడా ఈక్వల్ కావాల్సిందే. సో cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Now take this one cos theta BC by AC, here also BC by AC, so these two are equal. So from this we can write sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, cot theta BC by AB, here where is BC by AB? Here BC by AB, so these two are equal. Therefore tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Similarly, cot 90 minus theta AB by BC, here AB by BC, both are equal, these two are equal. Therefore cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Then remaining two, AC by AB, here AC by AB, so these two also equal. Sec 90 and another two AC by BC, here also AC by BC, these two also equal. AC by BC, here also AC by BC. So from that we can write sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. These are called trigonometry ratios for complementary angles. So we can, how can we memorize, how can we remember? Sine, cosine, both are co-functions. We get co-functions for complementary angles like this. Sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. So we get the answer like this. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta, cot 90 minus theta, tan theta, sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta, sec theta. So we have to remember like this, all these trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. Now let us solve the problems from exercise 11.3 by these complementary functions. How? Tan 36, evaluate the values of these problems, first problem, second problem, fourth problem. Remaining problems is left for your homework. Here tan 36 by cot 54. How to solve? Change any one, only numerator or denominator. Change only one, then we can find the answer. Now let us try this is cot 54, cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, we know that. So substitute this value here, theta value, cot 54, theta is equal to 54. Now write here tan 90 minus whatever is here, right here tan 90 minus 54. So here tan 90 minus 54 is equal to 36 degrees. Here cot 54. So cot 54 is equal to tan 36. Cot 54 is equal to tan 90 minus 54. Why? Because these two are co-functions, complementary functions. So cot 54 value, tan 36 value are same. Now let us substitute here tan 36 by cot 54 is equal to tan 36 by tan 36 value is what? Cot 54. Therefore we can write in the place of tan 36 cot 54 by, write the denominator as it is, no change. Now both are equal, one will get cancelled, will get 1. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఒక న్యూమరేటర్ కానీ డినామినేటర్ కానీ ఏదో ఒక దాన్ని మాత్రమే మార్చాలి. మార్చడానికి ఏంది ఫార్ములా తీసుకుందాము, tan 90 మైనస్ టీటా కాట్ టీటా. ఇక్కడ నేనేం చేసిన, నేను టీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు లెట్ హియర్ టీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 54 degrees తీసుకున్నాను. ఇది కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు, ఏదైనా ఒకటి మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. సో తీసుకొని ఇలా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేశాను. ఇక్కడ 90 మైనస్ టీటా ప్లేస్లో 54 రాశాను, రాస్తే ఇక్కడ 36 వచ్చింది. ఇది మాత్రం మార్చకుండా అట్లే ఉంచండి. సో దీని అర్థమైంది, కాట్ 54 tan 36 సేమ్ వాల్యూస్. ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది, ఈ రెండు కలిపితే 90 రావాలి, 54 ప్లస్ 36 90 వస్తాయి. దీస్ ఆర్ టూ ఆర్ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్, దట్స్ వై దేర్ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ ఫర్ కాట్ ఫర్ tan. సో దిస్ ఐ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ cot 54 in the place of tan 36. I substitute cot 54 in the place of tan 36 and write the denominator as it is. Both these cancel, you will get 1. The next problem, here cos sin are there. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. It is a complementary angles. Sin and cos are complementary angles. Let us take theta is equal to what? 12 degrees. Theta is equal to 12 degrees. Substitute 12 degrees. Sin 90 minus 12 is equal to 90 minus 12 is equal to cos 12. cos 12, cos 12. So what happens here? Sin 90 minus 12 is equal to, we know that 78 degrees is equal to cos 12. Cos 12, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So take theta 12 degrees and 90 minus 12. Sin 90 minus 778 is equal to cos 12. Both are equal. By adding 78 and 12, we get 90. Or sin 12 is equal to cos 78. We can take in any way. So substitute these values in this problem. Cos 12 minus sin 78. In the place of cos 12, we can write sin 78. Here sin 78 minus, write it one as it is, don't change this one. Again, don't write here cos 12. So you only change one function only. Sin 78 minus 778 is equal to 0. So the value of this one is 0, like this. Now let us go to fourth problem. Here sin 15 sec 75 is there. So these are not co-functions. Here two co-functions we can write directly like this. But here these are not two co-functions. Write the reciprocal of sec sin 15 degrees, reciprocal of sec theta, that is cos theta. So sec 75 can be written as 1 by cos 75. It can be written as 1 by cos 75, since 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta, or 1 by sec theta is equal to cos theta. Now cos 75, sin 75, we can write sin theta, sin 15 degrees can be written as cos 90 minus 15. Sin 15 degrees can be written as cos 90 minus 15. Why? Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. That's why we can write like this. Now sin 15 degrees is equal to cos 90 minus 15, 75. Substitute this value in the place of this one, sin 15 into 1 by cos 75. Take this one as 1. Put 1 in this one. Put 1 result in this one. So what we get? Sin 75 plus cos 75. Sin 15 is equal to cos 75 into 1 by cos 75. Both gets cancelled. We get answer 1. So sometimes the complementary functions will be given directly. In that case, change only one function into another function, we will get the result of the problem. Solution. Here the complementary functions are not given, then write its reciprocal, then the two functions become complementary functions. Sin and cos complementary functions. So change sin theta, sin 15 can be written as cos 75 because it is a complementary function. So cos 75 will be cancelled, we will get 1. That is the information given here. Now let us find the value of this solution of this. We have to prove this first, not find, show that tan 45 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 is equal to 1. If you want to find out the value, you can find it, but here we have to show that value is equal to 1. So let us take left hand side, we have to prove right hand side. So how to solve this? We have to identify the complementary angles here. The 48, what is the complementary angle of 48? Means 90 minus 48, that is equal to 42. 90 minus 48 is 42. Where is 48? Here. So rewrite these functions. Write the function here, tan 42, the value of the problem, value of the this equation will not be changed. So tan 48 into 42. Next remaining 2, these write together and write these together. Tan 16 పక్క పక్కన రాయండి. ఏవేవి కలిపితే మనకు 90 degrees వస్తాయో అటువంటి వాటిని పక్క పక్కన రాయండి. బై 48, 42, 90, 16, 74, 90. సో ఇటు రెండు ఒక దగ్గర, ఇవి రెండు ఒక దగ్గర అట్లా రాసుకోవచ్చు. నష్టం ఏంది ఇక్కడ ఇంటూ కాబట్టి రాయొచ్చు. నౌ tan 48 into tan 42 can be written as cot 90 minus 42. We know that cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So tan 42 can be written as cot 90 minus 42. And write this one as it is, don't change this one. And this one can be written as cot 90 minus 74. Co-function tan theta, co-function cot theta. So that's why we can write here tan 48 into cot 90 minus 48 means not cot 90 minus 42 means cot 48. Here tan 16 into cot 90 minus 74, that is also cot 16. Here tan 48 into cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Therefore cot 48 can be written as 1 by tan 48, reciprocal. Here tan 16, its reciprocal cos tan, cot reciprocal tan 16. So now why we are writing here like this? 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. That is one formula. Now tan 48 cancel, tan 16 cancel. So all multiplying all 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, by multiplying all these we get 1. So here we have what we have used formula, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, cot 90 minus tan theta. Here cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, cot theta 1 by tan theta. Two formulas we used here, by this we can solve this. But let us go to second problem. Here also the same way, change for one. Cos 54 can be written as co-function of cos is sin 90 minus 54, change only one, don't change both. Here sin 36 and change this one cos 90 minus 54. So here cos 36 sin 90 minus 54, sin 36 minus sin 36, here cos 90 minus 54 cos 36. Here both product are same, cos 36 sin 36, sin 36 cos 36, product are same. By subtracting one from another we get 0. In this way we use the trigonometric complementary functions. Use cos 54 is equal to sin 90 minus 54, cos theta is equal to, since you can write here since cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta and sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, wherever it is required use this formula, then we will get the answer. Don't change only one, not both one. Here also change only one. Now let us find the value of a here. Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 15, then where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Here 2a is an acute angle, means 2a is an acute angle, multiplying a with 2 also we will get an acute angle, means less than 90 degrees. So if these two angles are equal, from this we have to find a value. So let us change tan theta into its complementary function cot theta. You know that tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Therefore tan 2a can be written as, here tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 15, tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus 2a. Whatever the angle is here, write co-function of tan theta, that is cot theta, and 90 minus given angle. Here write cot a minus 15. Here both sides are same functions are same, therefore angles also same, therefore 90 minus 2a must be equal to a minus 15. Now transpose a left side constants to right side. Now write here variable minus 2a left side, transpose this one becomes minus, write this constant in the right side only, so the symbol will not be changed. Transpose this 90 to right side, minus 90, here minus 2a, minus 3a, here minus 15, minus 90, minus 105, then a is equal to minus 105 by minus 3, minus plus 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 9 3 5 ja, 15. So 35 degrees, a is equal to 35. If you write 35 degrees here, you will get equal values. 2 into 35 70, here 35 minus 15 is equal to 20. So tan 70 is equal to cot 20, 70 plus 20 90, therefore both will be equal. In this way, change one function into another function, change tan theta into cot theta, here tan 2a like this, tan 2a is equal to cot, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, therefore write tan 2a as cot 90 minus 2a, and right side write one as it is, then compare both sides. From two angles are equal, equate the angles, from this we can get the value of a. Now take this one, tan a is equal to cot b, where a and b are acute angles, prove that a and b 90. The same way, take this, tan a is equal to cot b, so write tan theta in terms of cot theta, cot 90 minus a, don't change this one, write it as it is, cot b. Now both sides functions are same, therefore angles also same, angles also same, functions same, angles are also same. Therefore write 90 minus a is equal to b. Now transpose minus a to right side, write 90 left side as it is, this one by transposing left side becomes plus, so 90 is equal to b plus a, or 90 is equal to a plus b, a plus b is equal to 90, a plus b is equal to 90, hence proved. Similarly, the last problem, express sin 75 plus cos 75 in terms of geometric ratios, trigonometric ratios, angles between 0 to 45. Here the angles are above 50 degrees. We have to write, change this one 0 to 45 only, without changing the value of sin cos, without changing the values of the total expression. So we can take this one, first one, sin 75 cos 65. Sin 75 can be written as cos 90 minus 75, because sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Here cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus 65, because cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. In this, cos 90 minus 75 is equal to 15, sin 90 minus 65 is equal to 25. In this way, we got the answer cos 15 plus sin 25. Here two values are less than 45 degrees, more than 0, less than 45, less than 45. But the sum of these two functions are equal to sum of these two functions, both are same. In this way, we can convert the trigonometric ratios into like this. If a, b and c are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then prove that tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to cot c by 2. Same as in the before problems. Here a, b, c are interior angles of a triangle. This is a triangle. Here a, b, c interior angles. Then we have to prove this one. So sum of the interior angles, we have to prove this one. Sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We know a plus angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Now here transpose C that side, because here A plus B is there. So keep A plus B here only, 180 minus C. Now divide both sides, by 2, then the value of the equation does not change. If you divide both sides by any number or multiply both sides by any number, subtract both sides by same number, add both sides by same number, the equation now will not be changed. So let us divide here. A plus b by 2 is equal to 180 minus c by 2. Now let us write here. A plus b by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. This can be written as 180 by 2 minus c by 2. Minus c by 2. ఇలా రాయొచ్చు దీన్ని. A plus b by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 90 ja. So 90 minus c by 2. ఇప్పుడు మనము బోత్ సైడ్స్ tan theta తీసుకోండి. ట్యాన్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి ట్యాన్లో తీసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ సైన్ కాస్లో ఉంటే సైన్ తీసుకోండి. సెక్ కోసెక్లో ఉంటే సెక్ తీసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ ట్యాన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి టేక్ tan theta both sides. Take tan both sides. Tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus c by 2. Take tan both sides like this. Now tan of a plus both b by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus theta. We know that complementary functions, tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Therefore this can be written as cot theta is there, but c by 2 is there here, so we have to write c by 2. Theta is not there, c by 2, c by 2. So we got the result, tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to cot c by 2. Therefore hence proved. In this way, if cot sin of a plus b by 2 is equal to cos c by 2, sec of a plus b by 2 is equal to cosec c by 2. If any other functions are given, co-functions are given like this, we have to prove same like this only. You have to do up to here like this only. ఇంతవరకు ఇలానే చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మొదలుపెట్టి తర్వాత మనకి ఇక్కడ సైన్ ఉంటే సైన్ రాయాలి, కాస్ ఉంటే కాస్ తీసుకోవాలి బోత్ సైడ్స్, ఇక్కడ సెక్ ఉంటే సెక్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ తీసుకుంటే మనకు కావాల్సినటువంటి రిజల్ట్ వస్తుంది. దీంతో ఈ 11.3 ఎక్సర్సైజ్ అనేది పూర్తి అయిపోయింది. ఇది పూర్తిగా కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్, ట్రిగోనోమెట్రీ రేషియోస్ ఫర్ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్ మీదనే ఆధారపడి ఉంది. ఇంకా కొన్ని లెక్కలు ఇందులో ఎక్సర్సైజ్లో ఉన్నవి, అవన్నీ కూడా మీరు సొంతంగా చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఏబి అండ్ సి ఆర్ ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి, దెన్ ప్రూవ్ దట్ tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to cot c by 2. Same as in the before problems. Here a, b, c are interior angles of a triangle. This is a triangle. Here a, b, c interior angles. Then we have to prove this one. So some of the interior angles, we have to prove this one. Some of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We know a plus angle a plus angle b plus angle c is equal to 180 degrees. Now here transpose c that side, because here a plus b is there, so keep a plus b here only. 180 minus c. Now divide both sides by 2, then the value of the equation does not change. If you divide both sides by any number or multiply both sides by any number, subtract both sides by same number, add both sides by same number, the equation now will not be changed. So let us divide here. A plus b by 2 is equal to 180 minus c by 2. Now let us write here. A plus b by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. This can be written as 180 by 2 minus c by 2. Minus c by 2. ఇలా రాయొచ్చు దీన్ని. A plus b by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 90 ja. So 90 minus c by 2. ఇప్పుడు మనము బోత్ సైడ్స్ tan theta తీసుకోండి. ట్యాన్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి ట్యాన్లో తీసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ సైన్ కాస్లో ఉంటే సైన్ తీసుకోండి. సెక్ కోసెక్లో ఉంటే సెక్ తీసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ ట్యాన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి take tan theta both sides, take tan both sides, tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus c by 2. Take tan both sides like this. Now tan of a plus both b by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus theta. We know that complementary functions, tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Therefore this can be written as cot theta is there, but c by 2 is there here, so we have to write c by 2. Theta is not there, c by 2, c by 2. So we got the result, tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to cot c by 2. Therefore hence proved. In this way, if cot sin of a plus b by 2 is equal to cos c by 2, sec of a plus b by 2 is equal to cosec c by 2. If any other functions are given, co-functions are given like this, we have to prove same like this only. You have to do up to here like this only. ఇంతవరకు ఇలానే చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మొదలుపెట్టి తర్వాత మనకి ఇక్కడ సైన్ ఉంటే సైన్ రాయాలి, కాస్ ఉంటే కాస్ తీసుకోవాలి బోత్ సైడ్స్, ఇక్కడ సెక్ ఉంటే సెక్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ తీసుకుంటే మనకు కావాల్సినటువంటి రిజల్ట్ వస్తుంది. దీంతో ఈ 11.3 ఎక్సర్సైజ్ అనేది పూర్తి అయిపోయింది. ఇది పూర్తిగా కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్, ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ రేషియోస్ ఫర్ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్ మీదనే ఆధారపడి ఉంది. ఇంకా కొన్ని లెక్కలు ఇందులో ఎక్సర్సైజ్లో ఉన్నవి, అవన్నీ కూడా మీరు సొంతంగా చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. ఓకే.